In a world where sustainable energy is the key to our future, Blue Energy Motors presents a beacon of hope, harnessing the power of LNG. With a mission to revolutionize the Indian transport industry, Blue Energy Motors brings together governments, businesses, and communities to embrace new solutions. Through innovation, we're paving the way for a brighter, cleaner future for generations to come. Join us as we embark on this journey towards sustainability, comfort, and trust by transforming the trucks we drive. Blue Energy Motors is addressing the challenges of climate change while providing clean and affordable transport to the logistics ecosystem. Blue Energy Motors is here to reshape the future of transportation. Join the movement and become a part of the change driving the transportation industry towards a more sustainable future. Our trucks produce significantly lower emissions of harmful pollutants, including CO2, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and particulate matter.